At the start, it was kind of quiet because we didn't know each other. I came into the class clueless, I didn't know anyone, and we had to think together, we had to give our opinions, which to me is very important and essential.
Our class did a volcanic eruption, and we made a volcano and made it erupt using baking soda and also vinegar. I would definitely recommend this program to other people because I have made so many friends and also I have learned a lot.
To me, you don't really talk about this at school anymore. You don't really talk about this, socially anywhere. Like, you don't go to someone and say, hey, this looks good. To me, this really brought us together. This really improved our English and improved our social skills.